Sterimed, a renowned name in the field of medical and surgical devices, offers its latest innovation, Steripore Safe Microporous Tape. Microporous tapes are commonly used for catheter and dressings fixation during pre- and post-surgical procedures. During such procedures, infection control is of utmost importance, especially in critical procedures such as liver or heart surgeries. This need for infection control makes it imperative that any equipment or medical device coming in contact with the patient, including microporous tapes, is not a carrier of infection. Most microporous tapes are manufactured, transported and stored under non-sterile conditions, making them carriers of infection and putting a patient at risk when used. Sterimed introduces Steripore Safe, a first-of-its-kind microporous tape that addresses this problem of infection control. Steripore Safe is made from special microporous fabric coated with a broad-spectrum antimicrobial agent. This unique antimicrobial agent minimizes the chances of Steripore Safe itself being a carrier of infection. Upon application, this antimicrobial action further acts as a deterrent to infection from other external sources and acts as a protective shield. The innovative antimicrobial action minimizes microbial presence on the tape and guards against external infection, making Steripore Safe the perfect choice for infection control and helping the patient recuperate safely. At Sterimed, our vision is to innovate for tomorrow and improve patient care with a sharp focus on quality and excellence. We offer a wide portfolio of over 100 world-class products catering to various needs of a medical facility. Sterimed, innovating for tomorrow.